In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome high memory usage. If Google Chrome has been slowing down your computer, using too much RAM, or feeling heavy when you have several tabs open, there are a few simple settings you can adjust to improve performance. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make Chrome run more efficiently without changing anything unnecessary. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access the settings that control performance and memory behavior. From that menu, select Settings. When the Settings page opens, look to the left sidebar and click on Performance. This section is where Chrome gives you tools specifically designed to reduce resource usage and improve responsiveness. Under the Memory section, turn Memory Saver on. Once it's enabled, choose either Balanced or Maximum, depending on how aggressive you want Chrome to be. Balanced is a good option if you want a smoother experience while still saving memory. Maximum is better if you really want to cut down memory usage as much as possible, especially if your system tends to slow down with many tabs open. This setting helps Chrome free up memory from tabs you're not actively using while keeping your current tab responsive. Next, close or remove unused extensions. Extensions can be helpful, but they often keep running in the background and consume memory even when you're not actively using them. If you have extensions installed that you rarely need, disabling or removing them can make a noticeable difference. After that, go back into Settings and open the System section. Here, look for the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, and turn it off. This is an important setting because it prevents Chrome-related processes from staying active after you close the browser, which can reduce unnecessary memory use in the background. Finally, clear your browsing data and cache. Over time, cached files and stored browsing data can build up and affect browser performance. Clearing them can help Chrome run more smoothly and can also resolve issues caused by outdated temporary files. After making these changes, it's a good idea to restart Chrome so all the updates take effect properly. If memory usage was being caused by inactive tabs, heavy extensions, or background activity, you should notice better performance fairly quickly. And that's how to fix Chrome high memory usage.